Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by assembling measured dry ingredients so you control flavor and sodium. This is why accuracy matters. Combine onion powder, dried minced onion, beef bouillon, sugar, onion salt, parsley, and pepper in a bowl. Once combined, use a fine sieve or small spice grinder to break up clumps and make the texture uniform. This helps the mix dissolve evenly later. Make sure to taste one pinch to verify salt level now, so you avoid an overly salty final blend. Once the initial blend is smooth, continue by processing short pulses in the grinder so the minced onion matches the powder. This prevents separation in use. While blending, taste and adjust salt or bouillon in small increments. 1/4 teaspoon changes perception significantly because you want a balanced savory profile. If you prefer the classic boost, add a tiny amount of MSG. It increases umami without making it taste chemical. Finally, sift the mix to catch remaining flakes and ensure a consistent pouring texture for recipes. You finish by transferring the mix to an airtight jar and labeling it with date. Storing in a cool, dry place preserves flavor up to a year. For cooking, use about 1 tablespoon per cup of liquid for soups and gravies, or mix roughly 2 tablespoons into 1 cup sour cream for a dip. Adjust to taste. If the mix seems too salty when used, dilute with low-sodium broth or add a tiny pinch of sugar to round the flavor. That troubleshooting step rescues most overly salty batches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.